I'm Hinduja, and a big warm welcome to all the parents and guardians who've always been loving the content that I have been putting and have been always curious to know a lot of things about teaching your child. So today is a very different video. It's other than the activity box, but I'm going to be talking about a class that we've put Ayan in, and it's been over 8 months that he's been doing that. So I'm talking about a phonics class. So Ayan, to first answer question, is Ayan is 4 years now, and when we started his class he was around 3 years and some 3 or 4 months old, and then we started doing this class for him. Now the good part about this class is that he learned all the phonics sounds. Then they made him do the writing part as well, which was again very interesting, that now he knows with the phonics sound how to read and write. So I'm talking about this class called Learn to Read. It's an amazing and an excellent class for your kids, wherein they teach the phonics, they teach the child how to read, they teach the child how to write. Another class that Ayan was in, it was 35 minutes earlier, which was thrice a week, and later when the concept started increasing, it became to 40 to 45 minutes, which was just thrice a week, and Ayan thoroughly enjoyed it because the teacher who was teaching was excellent, and the way she interacted with children, the way she rewarded them when they answered the questions, how she would encourage them when they were trying to read a word. So that again was always a plus point when you're teaching your children, because they are very emotional. When they are not able to do it, they feel a little deflated, but when you actually support them and you encourage them, they feel very, very happy with a lot of inflation. So that's the class that I wanted to talk about. Now these are the 2 books that I had purchased it from them separately. It doesn't come as with your classes, so you have to buy these separately. Now the first one that I had was this one. I had this one, which is a junior readers. Now the junior reader phonics worksheet is for age 3 to 4 years, which is write, wipe, rewrite worksheets. Like they can write it with a small erasable marker, the whiteboard marker, and then they can erase it. And the next book that I got is phonics worksheet level 1 for ages 4 to 5 years of age. So now the programs that they have is junior reader course, they have active reader course, they have power reader course, which is 4.5 to 7 years. Then they have super reader course, which is for kids between 6 to 8 years, and then they have comprehensive English program for kids between 5.5 to 7 years. Now what I would say is you can visit the website, which is www.learntoread.co, and you can speak to the concerned person and get the information in regards with this. I'm going to show you what's exactly inside this, so you get a glimpse of what this worksheet holds. So this is the junior reader phonics worksheet, and I'm just going to take you through with me as to how it looks. It says color the picture beginning with sound S, that's S, and that is how the entire worksheet goes like. It's a very good book for us to take it while you're traveling, or you're just sitting and lounging. You can just sit them and you can make them revise the whole phonics sound, which I have been doing with Ayan. So since it's a write and wipe book, we've been writing and wiping it again and again. So this is how the book looks like. Op, mop, top, pop. So these are how, and these are like the tricky words. Read out loud, I, you, is, to, and again this is a tricky word. So that's about with the junior readers. Then moving on to phonics worksheet level 1. This is for age 4 to 5 years, and this is how this book looks like. It's a little more advanced than the junior one, wherein they have these, wherein the child has to now write what is missing, though it says you can cut and paste from here, but now that they have been doing class, they are very well versed with writing, so they can do that. It says write short U sound word. Then it's this. Then they have these matching fun, which they can break into phonic words and write it. So now there are these like small sentences where they can read, which says these are the sight words. My, it says pack my bag, pack my pants and my socks. So this is how they've given, and this is for active readers because these are the words that they can help with the phonic sounds. And that's about it. This is the book. Do get in touch with them for more information. They also have a trial class which you can take with them, and you know that the child is enjoying. So the plus things that I learned from this Learn to Read was the fact that I was not very well versed with my phonics, and I got to, you know, like revise all of them, which was excellent. Secondly, I saw Ayan enjoying it more because the teacher was very interactive, and now whenever we read a storybook for him at night, there are these sight words which he's already been taught, and he reads them out and he feels really proud of. And whenever there is words like cat, Batman, all that he can write now. He can write from duck or 4-letter words, 3-letter words. With the help of a phonics sound, he can write it and read it. So that was like a big good thing for us, because he's just 4 years old, and we as parents have always been looking for classes for them. So I suggest that if you are someone who's looking for a very interactive class for your child, then you can go ahead with this, and you can take a demo class and find out. If there's any query in regards with Learn to Read, do let me know in my comment section, and I'll be more than happy to answer your query.